Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Rachel and we are here today with vicrez.com to show you our Demon style front bumper conversion for Dodge Challengers. Recently, we launched a wide body fender flare kit for Dodge Challengers, and now we are excited to release part 2 of our Demon style product line, offering not just a second option to upgrade into, as we will be discussing in this video, but now also completing a third, the Vicrez Demon wide body kit. This Demon kit includes not only the wide body fender flares, but also VZ101767, the Vicrez Demon style front bumper. Now this Demon style front bumper is the perfect conversion for all 2008 to 2014 Dodge Challengers looking to install our Demon wide body fender flare kit. In fact, in order to achieve a seamless appearance, it is recommended by Vicrez to upgrade your pre-2014 Challenger front bumper prior to installing the wide body fender flares onto your vehicle. Otherwise, be prepared to modify, and modifications may vary depending on preference. For all Dodge Challengers manufactured from 2015 to present years, this front bumper offers a unique advantage: a stock fit for those needing an OEM replacement. From normal wear and tear to auto collisions or even just those random freak accidents, rest easy knowing that you can get a Mopar factory fit for a fraction of the price. And whether you drive a 2008 or a 2018, this Demon style front bumper is sure to flame your fire, as this front bumper holds true to the style of America's classic muscle cars, brandishing a restored and unrivaled body style that puts the Dodge Challenger in a class all of its own. Now this 9-piece Demon style front bumper includes everything that you will need for a successful installation. From the bumper framework itself to each of the 4 grille inserts, the 2-piece front lip splitter, all the way down to the front cornering splitter supports. Who knew that an upgrade so subtle would provide you with a timeless appearance that has truly been a signature of Dodge's classic muscle cars from the beginning? Combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we are able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure that our Vicrez parts will fit your vehicle on the first try. And with vicrez.com striving to provide our customers with a larger selection of parts, we are always working to expand the Vicrez product line in order to provide more options for more products on more vehicles than ever before. Please be advised that Vicrez does recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop over DIY installation. Just please make sure to test fit all aftermarket products before they are painted, installed, or modified in any way. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, do yourself a favor and hit that like button. Head on over to our channel to subscribe, and if you want the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.